Hi, and welcome to this how-to video, showing you the basic functionalities in Vitus. First time you log in, you will be asked to fill in information and update your password. When you enter Vitus, you will start on this page called My Workspace. From here you can enter your latest projects and even your latest or most important views or dashboards. This ribbon is directing you to your latest projects. Open the project workspace or jump right in where you left during last session. Below the top ribbon you will see thumbnails directing you to views, sketches and dashboards that you have created or that is shared with you. If you click on one of them, you will be directed to this specific view or dashboard. Use this as a shortcut to your work. You can use these icons to filter the shortcuts so you only see what you need. You can filter your latest work only, see saved views, dashboards and sketches. Use the star icon to make a shortcut your favorite. This will place it up front. Use the search line to search for a specific view, dashboard or sketch. On the right side you can see notifications, which are latest additions or revisions to projects, saved views or dashboards that you are part of. Below is a list of tasks where you are involved. Click on them and you will be directed to that specific project and situation. If you click on My Organizations, you will go to a view showing you the organizations you have access to. An organization is typically the container for projects in your company. Sometimes large projects can have multiple organizations. Click on your organization and see the projects within this organization. Typically you will only have one organization and maybe one or a couple of projects. Clicking on one of the projects, you will be directed to that project. You can use the star icon to make a project your favorite, placing it up front. Let's jump into a project. Simply click on the project icon. On the left you see a folder icon. This is the shortcut to the project file browser. In the top you can see your role. Ask your project administrator about your role and your viewing and editing rights. The file browser contains your 3D models, drawings and documents. Click on the little icon next to the file name to show earlier versions of the file. On the icons to the right you can see the file size and information. Click on the file name or in the little circle to open the file. The viewer can open and render almost all file formats, so whatever your file format you can view it here. Use the search line to search for a specific file. You don't need to enter the whole file name. Add a filter, if you are looking for specific file formats or files uploaded on a specific date. Click on the circle with the cross to unload all models or drawings. Click on the circle with the checkmark to see the open files only. This helps getting an overview of what you are viewing. You can add a file as your favorite. It will then be visible in the favorite folder also, for easier access. Now, let's have a look at how you can work with your 3D models. We start by looking at the functionalities in the bottom ribbon. But first, if you open models but they are not visible because they are too far away, simply double-click on the screen and you will zoom in on the open model. First icon is the measure tool. Click on it and you are able to measure between lines, corners, points and surfaces. You will get the measure of the distance between the two chosen points and also the measure of the distance in the X, Y and Z axis. If you want to change the unit, click on this little icon to change it. Here you can also set the precision. If you would like to delete the measurement, click on the digits and press delete. If you need to create a section or section box, click on the number 2 icon from left. You are only able to have one section at the time or one section box. To move the section plane, you can click and hold on the yellow line and move it. Or you can press down Shift key and scroll the mouse. The section plane creates a hatch in the section. This you can hide or view. You can also hide or view the toggle arrows by clicking on this icon. If you would like to rotate the section plane, click and hold down on the blue or red arrow. If you would like to create a section plane from a specific surface, use the face icon and then click on the surface where you need the section. If you need multiple sections, click on the section box icon. It will create a section box. Click on each section surface and use the arrows or Shift plus scroll to move the individual section planes. To change the perspective, you can click on the perspective icon. This changes the view from perspective to orthogonal. You can also right-click on the view cube in the top left corner. Orthogonal view can be handy when needing to see straight lines. When objects are hidden. It can be when you are using the display filter to view specific objects. You are then able to view the hidden objects as ghosted. They will be transparent. This is useful when looking at a specific object, but still needing to see its position in the overall context. If you need to select multiple objects, click on the select icon. Then click on a spot in the screen and hold down the mouse key while hovering to the endpoint. Then unclick. Be aware that it is only selecting visible objects. Non-visible objects will not be selected. In this example, objects that are on the other side of the construction. The other tool icon give you the opportunity to either cluster or explode the model. Cluster means it will move all objects to clusters based on a specific property. Explode means it will explode the model with a distance of your choice. Remember, if you are looking for guides, have question or need support, use the support button in the bottom left corner. Here you can search for articles. Or you can chat with us in the chat section. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the platform, be sure to check out our other videos and guide materials. There's plenty more to explore, and we're here to help you every step of the way.